Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel, TechGetterOfficial. In today's video, we're going to fix a very strange and frustrating Windows issue, the one that prevents you from logging into your PC. You may have already seen this error. Your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. We're just collecting some error info, and then we'll restart for you. But here's the scary part. This error appears only for a second, your PC instantly restarts, and then enters the automatic repair loop. After that quick flash, the system restarts automatically, then shows preparing automatic repair, then diagnosing your PC, and finally gives you two options. Restart. Advanced options. Before we jump into fixing it, let me quickly explain why this happens. This issue is often caused by corrupted or modified registry files, recent hardware changes, a driver installation that went wrong, an improper or forced shutdown. Okay, now let's get back to the repair screen. If you click Restart, the same error comes back and you're stuck in the loop again. So click Advanced Options. You will now see Continue, Troubleshoot, Turn off your PC. Click Troubleshoot. Here you'll see 4 options. Refresh your PC. Reset your PC. Diagnostic and Recovery Toolset. Advanced Options. The first 3 won't help in this case. So open Advanced Options. Now you'll see different tools like System Restore, System Image Recovery, Startup Repair, Startup Settings, Command Prompt. If you have a restore point or recovery image, you can use those, but most users don't, and Startup Repair also doesn't fix this issue. So the real solution is through Command Prompt. Let's go ahead and open Command Prompt. Select your user, enter password. Now we will restore your registry manually. This is the most effective solution for this error. Type your first command sfc/scan now in the command prompt and press enter. It takes at least 5 to 7 minutes for this command to complete. After that entire process is complete, you have to type one more command checkdisk/f/rc:. After typing the command, you will press enter. What will happen with this command is that if there is any problem in your hard disk, then this command will solve it. This process may take 10 to 15 minutes because this process runs in 5 stages and it cleans your entire hard disk. After the entire process is complete, you have to exit, so simply write exit here and press enter. After that, turn off your PC. When you start your system again, Windows will load normally and you'll be able to log in without any error. I hope this tutorial helped you fix this annoying issue. If you found the video useful, make sure to like the video. Drop your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to TechGetterOfficial for more such helpful tips. Thanks for watching.